Okay, so we're now here sa facade ng Joy Tiny House here in Nordic Homes Resort here in Tagaytay. And we're very excited to try this one. Lika, silipin natin. Wow! So we are now here inside the Joy Tiny House here in Nordic Homes Resort. And sobrang ganda talaga, no? Pakita ko sa inyo yung paligid. So pagpasok mo dito, no, to your left is the loft. And to the right ng entrance is yung stairs pababa. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa babang area ng Joy Tiny House natin. And as what you can see, ito yung living room area and napaka-comfortable ng sofa dito. So nandito tayo ngayon sa kitchen area ng Joy Tiny House natin. May bar area dito and at the same time may kitchenette dito, no? And kumpleto ng gamit to. May mini refrigerator dito, then may complimentary water, and at the same time, meron ding microwave oven. If you love coffee like us, nakakatuwa din dito kasi may electric kettle, then meron ding coffee maker, and meron din sila bread toaster. Tapos may complimentary coffee din, and yung mga glasses, mga mugs, then may mga plates din dito. Okay, I'm so amazed kasi imagine, nagawa pa nila maglagay ng work area dito or study area. Then they also have board games here na available. So perfect place talaga to if you want to bond with your friends and family. So may Monopoly dito. Meron ding Uno cards. If you're a gamer, you'll definitely love it here kasi they do have PS4 here. Napakalaki ng TV dito, no? And at the same time, it is a smart TV. So they do have Netflix here or YouTube. So pwede lang kayo tumambay dito and manood the whole day. By the way, they also provide sleepers here. Nandyan ang toilet and bath. Check natin. Kasi sobrang linis ng toilet and bath. So here's the toilet area, no? And may water heater din dito. And another interesting part ng tiny house natin dito, no? Here in Nordic Homes Resort is itong area where you can dine. Dika, labas tayo. Sobrang ganda dito sa area na to ng tiny house natin. Na imagine, you see greenery outside. Meron dyan upuan, pwede kang tumambay dyan and it's very comfortable. At the same time, may table dito. You can eat here. And here's the other side, itong area na to. So makikita nyo, meron dyang stove. I really love this place, no? Kasi napakaganda. Imagine, this is a tiny house but you wouldn't feel like na nasa tiny house ka. Napakalawak. And this is only 40 square meters. So, nandito na lahat ng kailangan mo. And imagine, napakita ko naman yung labas kanina na where you can cook. It's 5 PM and sobrang natuwa talaga ako dito sa tiny house natin here in Nordic Homes Resort. Kasi meron silang smart TV, so it's time na mag-YouTube or mag-Netflix dito. Kasi at home, wala kaming TV, by the way. Mga 5 or 6 years na kasi we've been trying to become minimalist. But for now, syempre, we're having a staycation, so it's time to relax and enjoy. So, nood muna tayo. So, makikita nyo, sobrang high-tech ng TV dito. Hover mo lang pala yan. Yung parang teardrop, parang yan yung mouse pointer. Anyway, mag-first impression muna tayo dito about sa Joy Tiny House here in Nordic Homes Resort Tagaytay. So, ang masasabi ko lang talaga, napawaw talaga ako sa ganda nitong tiny house natin. Ako personally, I didn't feel na nasa tiny house ako given that this is very small. It's only 40 square meters. Ang lawak niya actually, most especially toilet and bath. Malaki siya for a tiny house. And at the same time, napakaganda ng interiors nito, yung detail, makikita nyo naman. The entire place is very Instagram. I personally love yung painting dito sa wall and at the same time yung kitchen area, Actually, lahat dito maganda. Even itong sofa bed, napaka-comfortable. By the way, dito sa Nordic Homes Resort Tagaytay, may mga common areas dito such as yung bar area, yung kitchen area, and yung dining area. Okay, but dito sa pinagsasayan natin, we have our private kitchen kasi meron naman dun gas range na pwede ka magluto. But since hindi tayo nagluluto, no, the good thing about this resort, they serve samgyupsal, so try natin later. Prepare tayo ng coffee.
Sakto na.
Sakto. Okay, dinner time. Ang maganda dito sa Nordic Home Resort Tagaytay, pwede kang mag-samgyup dito and pwede kang mag-rent ng grill for 200 pesos. Okay, gustong-gusto talaga namin dito sa Joy Tiny House here in Nordic Homes. Kasi ito lang yung tiny house na may sariling patio. So makita nyo naman, no, private space so na pwede kayo dito mag-dinner or pwede din kayo dito magluto. Di pa na natin naubos yung coffee kanina, no, kasi dumating yung samgyup, yung dinner natin. So initin muna natin ulit magkape tayo. So it's past 12 AM, no, and bago tayo matulog, gusto ko lang i-share daw malamig dito since this is just 2 kilometers away from Tagaytay Rotonda. Technically, this is in Silang, pero since malapit naman to sa Tagaytay, no, so same weather lang, malamig. At isa pa, no, it's very safe here kasi yung gamit ng pool, so 1 booking at a time lang. So pag check-in nyo dito, ipili kayo ng schedule nyo sa paggamit ng pool. And another thing, kanina, no, before I guess 11 PM, nakalak na yung gate ng property. So it's very safe here. Then may staff din sila na night shift na nagbabantay sa safety ng guests. And speaking of staff, sobrang bait lahat ng staff dito. No? They're very welcoming and accommodating. So lahat ng mga staff na mga kasalubong namin, lagi kaming ginigreet. Sobrang babait nila lahat. Talagang memorable tong magiging stay ninyo if you are planning to stay here in Nordic Homes Resort. Good morning! It's our day 2 here in Nordic Homes Resort and ang sarap matulog dito, no? Apart sa malamig talaga dito sa lugar na to, malamig din yung Joy Tiny House natin. So for now, mag-chill muna tayo. Siguro magtimpla tayo ng kape, no? While waiting for our breakfast. So may 4 options ng breakfast dito, no? First, we do have tapsilog, long silog, ham silog, and of course, merong tosilog, coffee. It's 11:30 AM. Ano maganda dito sa Joy Tiny House here in Nordic Homes? 3 PM ang check-in and 1 PM ang check-out. So may time pa tayo para mag-swimming. Okay, so it's a good day today, no? Maaraw na kasi yesterday umuulan. Okay, so we're now here in the swimming pool area of Nordic Homes Resort and we're very excited na to try yung pool. Meron din sila ditong jacuzzi, no? So may additional 200 pesos if you want it heated. So the question is, will I recommend this place? Definitely yes. Sobrang sarap dito magstay, no? And sarap matulog and very comfortable dito. So if you are planning for a weekend getaway or even on weekdays, I'm highly recommending Nordic Homes Resort here in Silang, Cavite.